Is it there? No, that is video off.
It is.
Video on. Is there?
Yes, ma'am. आ जाएगा, ma'am. No worry,
I
ma'am.
can see me.
That's fine, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am, for joining. We will not take much time of yours. And I am requesting our chairman and my father, Shri Babulalji, to say a few words before we start the official discussion with you, ma'am.
हाँ बाबूलाल जी, चेयरमैन
दीपक,
साहब
पापा बोलो।
थोड़ा इधर आ जाओगे आप, इसमें आ जाओगे? हाँ,
हम
आपका
आपका-
नहीं आ रहा, हाँ, थोड़ा आ गए।
हम आपका बहुत बहुत हार्दिक स्वागत करते हैं, जो आपने समय दिया। और पहले भी आपका हमको बहुत सहयोग मिलता रहा है। आशा करते हैं भविष्य में भी आपका सहयोग मिलता रहेगा। अजय के ऊपर आपका बहुत बड़ा हाथ है। आशा करते हैं भविष्य में भी ये आपका छत्र छाया।
That's very nice of you, बाबूलाल जी. Thank you.
दीपक म्यूट कर लेना तुम्हारा फोन। Sir, ma'am, thank you very much for agreeing to join and listen to us and share. We have been blessed to have your blessings and guidance and support in our journey we have lived. Ma'am, just to give you a little bit brief about when we started in 1999 as a first internet service provider in the state, ma'am, the government was having a computer buying in a blacklisting capability, which means it was luxury, it could not be bought. That's the state where we started our company, and few people joined together with me to join this session that we are able to bring some changes in the state. A lot of people discouraged us, but we went ahead with 5 people of team, and we set up the first internet provider in Vietnam. That is how the internet started in this state.
Yeah.
And ma'am, after that, now we are 1,000 people team, and you have given us a biggest opportunity by enabling the people. Opportunity why? Because we are able to now enable millions of people, ma'am. The project which you initiated under your leadership, ma'am, to provide identities in Rajasthan to every citizen, that has crossed 8 million as numbers. So 8 million people are now having a... Yes, ma'am.
Ajay.
Yes, ma'am.
ये आपकी बढ़ाई मुझे करने दो ना।
Ma'am, I it's my duty to tell me when what we have done for the state, ma'am. And we have been getting that support from you, that opportunity, ma'am. Agar opportunity nahi, we can't do much. So you have given us that playground to and be available and support. Without that platform and opportunity, no company can grow. We are fortunate to have been getting that blessing from you and grow in the stream of things. This not only, ma'am, accepted in Rajasthan. मैम आपको पता होगा मैम ग्लोबल थॉट लीडर अवार्ड मिला था बाय ICANN मैम. That has never been given to anybody till now, ma'am, and never before. You are the only person who has got it because of this vision and the opportunity you have created for the citizens, ma'am. This is the power. This has happened, ma'am, and I think it has a replicability, ma'am. So लोग यहाँ benefit ले रहे हैं. Unfortunately, stream में अभी यहाँ पर आप नहीं है, लेकिन लोग उसका इतना फायदा उठा रहे हैं कि people are able to communicate with the government and citizens are able to get benefit. And हम आपसे रिक्वेस्ट भी करेंगे मैम, और जहां जहां पर भी हम आपकी ब्लेसिंग के साथ में, लेकिन यूपी में जैसे आप अभी हैं, तो क्या हम यूपी के अंदर के अब कल परसों PM ने कहा है लोकल एंड वोकल मैम, तो हम बिल्कुल लोकल हैं और आपने देखा इसका रिजल्ट. तो हम कहां पर हमको हिंदी ईमेल आईडी को और बंगाली तमिल जा सकते हैं लेके जाएंगे.
That's great. Yeah.
So, ma'am, this is the brief I wanted to tell you before you speak. So now I will hand over the mic to you, and please let us listen your blessings, ma'am.
First of all, before I start, I'd like to hear from some of your other people also, how they feel about their journey in the company.
Nitin, you want to say something?
Sir,
वो 5 लोग हैं ना,
Very good afternoon, ma'am. This is Nitin Walia.
अजय, वो जो 5 लोग हैं, एक मिनट, वो जो 5 लोग हैं साथ पे चले, उनको में से किसी एक या 2 से कहलवा दो
Yes,
मेरे
ma'am.
को कि भाई उनमें से एक या
ये नितिन is one of them, ma'am.
हाँ, ओके नितिन जी.
Thank you very much, ma'am, and thank you for your presence today. We all are blessed actually, and it's always a delight to talk to you and listen to you. And
Okay.
as Ajay said, we started this journey way back in 1999, and since then we are serving state, and not only state but also various parts of the country, and now globally also. And as far as the state is concerned, majority of the IT projects which has happened in past under your leadership also, and prior to that even, majority have our contribution into it. So anything, whether it was bringing the national parks online or bringing the spot billing into the state, or providing a help into eMitra application, we have somewhere our hand to contribute to the state and provide the same stuff. And as far as the email part is concerned, the email services which you launched and given us a global footprint has globally been recognized. We have launched in other countries also, like Kazakhstan, UAE, and even in Korea. And but yes, adaptability in India after Rajasthan is still waiting. So I think your lot of blessings would be required in other parts of the country, where the visionary CM can definitely take under your guidance and leadership. We can have some view from them on this particular project to be rolled out in other parts of the country. Thank you.
To speak to ma'am.
Right. So,
Okay.
no, is there anybody else who would like to tell us a little bit how they feel about the company?
Ma'am, I have invited our Director of Finance, Mukesh, with me. He is in front of me.
Are you a director?
Yeah.
Your voice is breaking.
Yeah, he's Director of Finance, ma'am. He's Director of Finance.
Director of Finance of your company?
Yes, ma'am.
Director of Finance of your company? What is the name?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is the name? Naam?
Mukesh Gupta.
Mukesh Gupta. Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Please come onto the screen.
I have enjoyed my in data and engineers limited now. Earlier this was data limited, and I got the very much growth and enjoy working as a employee. I never think as an employee. I always work as a part of the team of the all persons working in the company, and enjoy the atmosphere. मतलब यहाँ आके मुझे ऐसा महसूस नहीं हुआ कि मैं एम्प्लॉई हूँ, अपनी नौकरी करता हूँ और घर चला जाता हूँ. ये नहीं है. यहाँ पे फुल कैपेसिटी से काम करने को मिला है हमको. एज ए ओनरशिप इस साल से काम यहीं लगे हुए हैं.
अजय, ये आपकी आवाज में थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ है. हाँ,
अच्छा मैम,
वहां से जो अब नाउ बेटर. हाँ, नाउ बेटर.
So ma'am,
थोड़ा रुक.
I have been blessed, ma'am, to have a team like this around me and support and every endeavor into whatever we have been doing. So this has been a great journey, ma'am. For yes, ma'am. From 5 to how many people? 1,000 people, ma'am. We are 1,100 people now, ma'am.
1100. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, then I'll start with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
Thank
hear,
you very much.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. We can hear you.
All right. So सबसे पहले तो आदरणीय बाबूलाल जी, चेयरमैन साहब of this lovely company, and then अजय जी, श्री नितिन वालिया जी, अभी आपके डायरेक्टर फाइनेंस अपने मुकेश जी गुप्ता, एंड आपके सब
मैम बीच में रोक रहा हूँ आपको, मेरे
पूरी
टीम भी है, दीपक डाटे यहाँ पर, वो भी साथ में है हमारे, सो वी ऑल वर्क टुगेदर मैम.
या सो द होल टीम डेटा इन्फोसिस जो मेरे सामने होंगे, उन लोग सबको मेरा प्रणाम, एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर हैविंग मी टुडे ऑन दिस वेरी ऑस्पिशियस ओकेजन of 21 years, क्योंकि हमारा 11, 21, 51 होता ही है, तो 21वें माने एनिवर्सरी पे आपने मुझे यहाँ बुलाया, उसके लिए बाबूलाल जी आपको, आपकी पूरी टीम डाटा इन्फोसिस को बहुत बहुत मेरी ओर से धन्यवाद. सबसे पहले तो मुझे I must say to you that I have a huge amount of pride and happiness to see my fellow Rajasthanis develop like the way you have, develop companies the way you have, and also of seeing the spirit and the confidence. You know, this is it's a very, very amazing thing, but to see the spirit of confidence and also of self-reliance, especially in these very, very difficult times, Ajay ji. और आप उस दिन मेरे को बता रहे थे कि अभी आप लोग सब घर से काम कर रहे हैं, आपने कुछ हफ्ते पहले ही इसको मैंने लागू कर दिया था, तो you were actually quite a visionary to start working like we are now going to be doing, and which is probably going to become the new normal. So I believe that the willpower and strength to fight at this particular time of crisis, and especially during this period of COVID, is actually going to be the skills that are going to give us all the confidence to know that you will be helping us on our path to making a better, not just a better India, but a very, very good Rajasthan. That's what we're looking forward to. I still remember Data Infosys in 1999, which started in 1999. I remember these companies had started, small companies were starting from garages. And after that, Rajasthan itself was a very, very sleepy area as far as IT was concerned. And a lot of you would have been much younger 21 years ago. And I remember that buying a computer used to be a luxury. Do you remember that, Ajay ji?
Yes, ma'am. It was. And ma'am, it was in government, ma'am. It was in a luxury list. So the government employees also could not buy in their offices. You approved that and opened it, ma'am.
हाँ, मैं आपको वो याद दिला रही हूँ कि ये था लग्जरी. एंड वो उस लग्जरी के टाइम में हम लोगों ने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि कंप्यूटर इस तरीके से हमारे घर में पहुंच जाएगा. मैं टुडे आई कैन डू ऑल दिस नाउ ऑन माय टेलीफोन. I can do all this now on an iPad. You know, I mean, it is myriad types of devices that can be utilized. So I think it's the same in government also. And you can see how the world has changed today. So I want to congratulate you because you started with just 5 people 21 years ago, 1999, right?
Yes.
1999?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And now you have grown, as I asked you just now, to 1,100 people. And with a name that you now have gone global. So naturally, Data Ingenious Global Limited. काफी ingenuity apply करके आप आपने इतना अच्छा नाम उसमें से निकाला है. Really want to congratulate Data Infosys Limited because they have been able to go this far and not just work with Indian clients, but go to global clients. And that, by the way, is amazing because there is huge competition, as you all know. I am very happy that this opportunity gave you opportunity to actually go ahead and work with global large-scale companies, which you told me the other day, which is fantastic. So I go back, when I look back and I look at the time when we were called Bimaru State. You remember that?
Yes.
हमको Bimaru कहा करते थे. So I look back, I remember that it is only because of brilliant ideas that we changed Rajasthan from being Bimaru, as it was called in 2013, to being the face of IT and e-governance in the country. And that is all thanks to people like you. It could not have been done without you all. So it makes us very, very happy today. It makes me very, very happy to be here with you today. When we came with something called People First, Ajayji.
Yes, ma'am.
At that time, the wish was, and the hope was, that we will be able to ensure that every Rajasthani should have their own email address and should join our journey of digital Rajasthan. But it was a dream. हमने सोचा होगा कि नहीं होगा, सपना था एक. हमने सोचा भी नहीं था कि इतने जल्दी हम इसको यहाँ तक पहुंचा भी सकेंगे. But if you remember, and if you look at it now, we took it even one notch higher. We partnered with you.
Yes, ma'am.
You remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
The world's first vernacular. You remember?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
आप हमारे पास आए थे, आपने, आपको खुशी से कह सकती हूँ कि हम लोगों ने आपके साथ पार्टनर करके वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट वर्नाक्युलर ईमेल एड्रेस सबको दिया राजस्थान में.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you were part of our phenomenal journey, and I thank to companies like you who have actually made it their mission to change the, and that's why you need to be congratulated. You remember we took it that much higher, and उस समय शुरू हुआ था.
Yes, ma'am.
तो बात करते थे phenomenal जर्नी हुई, उसमें ई मित्रा का भी बहुत बड़ा रोल था. एंड सोच नहीं सकता था कोई उस समय, आपको याद होगा, सोच नहीं सकता था कि it will become India's biggest service delivery ecosystem, growing to about 10 times its size and growing the transactions every day 50 times of what it was earlier. कोई सोचा था उस समय जब हम लोगों ने शुरू किया था, लोग मजाक करते थे हम लोगों का. उस समय जब भामाशाह हमने किया था तो हमको प्लास्टिक नहीं मिलता था कार्ड्स बनाने के लिए, ऐसा समय था. आज भामाशाह has become synonymous really with benefit, and it contributes to something like 25% of the total DBT of the country.
Yes, ma'am.
And I think this is all because of the power of technology. You could not have happened without that. And when I look around, we actually managed to create a very advanced data center. We managed to create India's biggest government incubation and acceleration system. Bhamasha Technology Hub, you remember that? I don't know if anybody goes to it. Does anybody go there? I'm sure there must be. I took glowing remarks about the work that was done. The network that India's biggest internet and video conferencing जो network था, उसके चारों ओर जो इकोसिस्टम हमने कल बनाया था, मैंने पिछला कल yesterday, today, as I said the other day, is being fully utilized to fight this global pandemic. Today, कल का जो हमने किया था आज कितना यूजफुल हो रहा है वो आप लोग सब देख सकते हैं। मुझे याद है कि when I remember looking at Bangalore and Hyderabad, आपको याद होगा, मैं वहां जाती थी, मैं वहां लोगों से मिलती थी, उनका IT सिस्टम्स देखती थी, और फिर मेरे को लगता था कि काश जिस तरीके से इन IT कंपनीज बैंगलोर में से निकल के जा रही हैं, काश हम लोग भी इस तरीके से कर सकते हैं, तो राजस्थान भी कहां से कहां तक पहुंच जाएगा, कितनी बड़ी बात होगी। सपना था एक, तो एक नई IT पॉलिसी, तो हमारे ओन IT के लोगों को आगे बढ़ाने का काम क्या हम कर सकते हैं। और iStart जब हम लोगों ने ये हैकाथॉन्स वगैरह शुरू किए, और मुझे याद है कि हमने पैसा अलग रखा उसके लिए, तो लोग सोचते थे कि ये यहाँ राजस्थान में, ये तो बैंगलोर का काम है, राजस्थान में क्या होगा। But I am happy to say that with iStart, you set up this startup ecosystem in Rajasthan, which was amazing today. But today there are thousands and thousands of IT professionals, IT companies, and startups, as I see them, and they're making Rajasthan and all of us. What started 21 years ago, Data Infosys,
yes, ma'am,
picked up momentum and is actually, you can see, become an IT revolution. आज का लोग ये कह सकते हैं कि अगर बैंगलोर और हैदराबाद उस समय के क्या बोलते हैं पायोनियर्स थे, तो आज अपन ये कह सकते कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर क्या आगे बढ़ के चल रहे हैं, और वो आप लोग जैसी कंपनीज की वजह से है। इसलिए मैं जितना भी आपको धन्यवाद दूंगी, मैं समझती हूँ कि वो कमी रहेगा, बिकॉज ये IT revolution is what is going to actually change the world. So, Ajay ji, I would want a very, very significant anniversary of your company. 21 is a very, very significant anniversary, and I believe that it's a special occasion, not just for you, but for Rajasthan IT. They say that when there are tough times, like now, when there are tough times happening, those tough people, they get going. So the saying is, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. So all of you are working from different locations. And I'm really proud of your capabilities, really unstoppable capabilities, amazing team spirit, and makes me really very, very happy. So we are now one with the world. What kind of difficult situations are going to arise around us? We need, therefore, to build a solidarity and a strength and get set to pass through these tough times. This is a war, actually, Ajayji, on a invisible enemy, and I am sure that we are going to be able to actually destroy it. We will beat it, and we will come out on top. Yeah, I agree, but I think we will acclimatize, and we will come to terms with what will be called the new normal. This can only happen if we work shoulder to shoulder, if we work with affection, if we work with faith, and if we work together. We will get through these very dark times. In Rajasthan, we have faced many crises before, and we have overcome them. So, God willing, we will overcome and come out much, much stronger from this crisis also. So, फिर से good wishes, Ajay ji, बाबूलाल जी, अजय जी, बहुत सारी good wishes to the new company, the Data Engineers Global, and for your extraordinary achievements. Please continue to be the torchbearers of innovation and of growth, and make me and everyone around you hugely proud. Thank you again. And please, it was really very nice of you to have me on this occasion join you for your celebrations today. Thank you again, Ajay. Thank you for calling.
Thank you very much, ma'am. I just want to tell you, you mentioned about you having a dream and we is true is a biggest blessing we can have. And ma'am, I can't forget BTH. If you remember, you called me from the crowd which was sitting in front of you, and you announced in front of everybody that what kind of work we have done. That was the biggest moment of my life, ma'am. I must just acknowledge that in front of you. That was the biggest award which somebody can get. If a person like you invites and felicitate in front of 4,000 people, and the hard work pays. This was the biggest thing, and I must thank you for that. This is a great journey.
Ajay,
Yes, ma'am.
just remember one thing, that you are going to be setting the standard, and you are going to be, जिसको कहते हैं ना दीपक, जो कहेंगे कि जैसे आपने कहा कि अगर एप्पल हो सकता है तो मैं क्यों नहीं, वैसे वो कहेंगे कि अगर डेटा इन्फोसिस हो सकता है तो हम क्यों नहीं. इसका सोचो, और इसका कितना जॉय आप लोगों सबको मिलेगा जब when you become a beacon for so many other young people, so many startups, and also creating that ecosystem for the new world through IT. Just imagine how you yourself and your company will feel about it. So that is the reason why I am congratulating you, because you are pioneers for us in Rajasthan.
Great, ma'am. Thank you very much for your presence, for your blessings, for your nice words. Myself, my brother Deepak, and entire team is with me to stand by with you whenever you think that we have to deliver something. We stand by on your orders and directions any time of the day, and we shall deliver under your leadership whenever it is required to do. We will not leave any stone unturned to deliver. And that's what we have been doing, ma'am. During this phase of lockdown, we have been working very, very hard to deliver and make our customers up and running and serve them when they cannot do. Because IT is something which is a savior. So we consider ourselves as Corona warriors, not just doctors, not just nurses and policemen. We are also working 24/7 to support everything, to keep it going. I
will add that when I say Corona warriors, for nurses and doctors, for Safai Karamchari, for all the officers, and for civil society, and I also had IT. And
yes, ma'am.
IT warriors, make them also be called Corona warriors. So thank you very much, Ajay. Thank you for calling me.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you for your presence, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Good day.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Nitin. Thank you, Nitin ji.
Thank you.